What is an intelligent vending machine? Fast, convenient. Introducing the brand new SandStar AI vending machine. Select different ways to open the door. Take whatever you want, just like taking things from your own fridge. The payment is triggered automatically after you close the door. This is the real grab-and-go shopping experience. The AI vending machine is built purely on computer vision. The camera can see whatever you see. And remember the things you can't remember. It's more reliable than your eyes, more intelligent. Picked up something but regretted it? No problem, just put it back. SandStar AI vending machine costs only 40% of a traditional vending machine. Don't want to repurchase a vending machine? Okay, install 2 cameras on the original machine. Most of the traditional ones can complete smart transformation, help you reduce cost and make more money. Your smart vending machine can be installed in many different locations. It will create more business opportunities, because you will always know which product is more popular. Manage and initiate a restock process more efficiently. Sometimes you know your customers better than they do. Even get information of the surroundings. Know your customers and know you. SandStar AI vending machine. Invest less, gain more. SandStar. Redefine retail by AI.